Today, the Sahara is a symbol of desolation, but archives of paleoclimatology tell a different story. Between 11,000 and 5,000 years ago, this land was a lush paradise. Scientific core samples from the Atlantic coast prove that monsoon rains once fed massive river systems. We call this the African Humid Period. It wasn't a myth. It was a geological reality that supported life where now only sand remains. In the 1930s, French explorers in the Algerian desert discovered a literal Louvre of the prehistoric world. Tassili Enager contains over 15,000 drawings. These archives in stone depict hippos, crocodiles, and hunters. They are the primary evidence of a society that lived in a world of water. These aren't just drawings. They are a visual record of a lost ecosystem, preserved by the very dryness that destroyed it. In the heart of the Libyan desert lived the Garamantes. For centuries, they were dismissed as desert nomads, but 20th century archaeology revealed a sophisticated urban civilization. They survived by tapping into fossil water, building thousands of miles of underground canals known as fagara. They built pyramids and stone cities, reaching their peak while the Romans ruled the north. They didn't just survive the desert, they engineered it. In the heart of the Libyan desert lived the Garamantes. For centuries, they were dismissed as desert nomads, but 20th century archaeology revealed a sophisticated urban civilization. They survived by tapping into fossil water, building thousands of miles of underground canals known as fagara. They built pyramids and stone cities, reaching their peak while the Romans ruled the north. They didn't just survive the desert, they engineered it. Modern technology has allowed us to look beneath the dunes. In the 1980s, the Space Shuttle's radar imaging revealed the Trans-Saharan River System, a massive, hidden network of riverbeds, some as wide as the Nile, buried under meters of sand. These ghost rivers once connected the interior of Africa to the Mediterranean, acting as highways for the migration of peoples and ideas that we are only now beginning to map. Deep in the Tenor Desert lies the Caesar of Giotto, a fortified city made of salt and mud. It stands as a silent witness to a time when trade routes were the lifeblood of the Sahara. Though its origin is shrouded in local lore, the ruins are real. Abandoned centuries ago as the water tables dropped, it remains one of the most remote archaeological sites on Earth, slowly being reclaimed by the dunes. First observed from space by Gemini astronauts, the Richat structure, or the Eye of the Sahara, has sparked endless debate. While geologists define it as a deeply eroded salt dome, its resemblance to ancient descriptions of circular cities has made it a focal point for researchers. Historical maps from the 16th century often placed legendary kingdoms in this exact region, suggesting that even if natural, it served as a landmark for lost cultures.